This is David Duty with Common Sense Commodities, and in this video, I want to show you the seasonals trade calendar. As you can see, we're in March 2016, and you'll see quite a few seasonal trades that I've posted here. As an example, on the first, we had the British pound. You can click on chart, and it will take you to a chart that I have done that I keep in Evernote. And I'll go in and analyze, and I'll show you how we do that. But I'll go in and look at the seasonal trends of each one of these markets. Then I take those over and I put them onto a chart, as you can see here. As an example, the from June March the 1st to March the 18th, the June contract is supposed to be bearish. It's rated at 1.98. With a medium probability. 1.98 is a scale of 1 to 5. So it's not real highly rated. You can see a red box. That means that that market is bearish. It's just a little visual clue. And if that's not a big enough clue, you can see the bear in it, meaning that market should turn bearish. Here's a closer date. Here was March the 2nd. Some notes that I had on it, and I do this on each one of the calendars. All right, I'm going to close this and we'll go back to the calendar here. You can also see notes that I put in. Also, here's coffee as an example on the 24th. You can go in and look at that seasonal trade. You can click on it. There's the trade bullish during this period of time. You can already see that that market has been going up. I made a note on that. I think I was too late. It'd be too much risk getting into it now. Indicators now overbought. The zigzag target is below the current price, which is here. So I do make notes on the calendars, as you can see. All right, here's bean oil. Bullish, rated 3.99. Supposed to be bullish from March the 23rd through the 19th. Here's a chart that I've done, and I will be including videos on these charts as well, so that there'll be a video that will be posted here, and you'll be watching a video of this market as well as being able to see the charts. I think I did one on gold down here. As an example this morning or this afternoon. Let me see if that video is here. Nope, I've got to add gold this weekend. That's coming up on the 28th. That's how come it's not added yet. Which one was it that I added to this morning? It wasn't on the seasonals. It was on the trade alerts calendar, which I'll be showing you a video of also. But these are the seasonals. Now you might be wondering where I get the seasonals from. Hold on, I'll show you. I get these out of TradeMiner Pro, the futures edition, obviously, for the futures contracts. And then I go in and I select trades that last at least 15 trading days, no more than 30 days, have an 80% probability being profitable with at least 5 years of history. And then those are scored on a scale of 1 to 5 or 0 to 5. And I select the ones that are highly rated. I put them into my network over here. Add them to my portfolio. I'll do a score from 0 to 5 and take out the lower rated ones. And then I'll say, add these to the portfolio. They'll come over here and be added to the portfolio, etc. And then I go back into my charts, and I take each one of these trades as an example. Here's a trade for the Russell. Here's a trade for canola. Trade for wheat. It's supposed to be coming up, which I'd show you. This gives you the history of what that trade has done. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9 years of history going through 2016. Here's March the 22nd. It's already the 25th right now, so that trade took place on Friday and it was up $35. All right, shows you the drawdowns, etc. Uh, so there's a lot of work that goes into finding the seasonal trades and their, the ratings on them and everything else. And then I take those and I put those into my charts, which I'll show you. Hold on. So this is where I get the information for the seasonal charts. And there's a lot of time and effort that I put into the seasonals, updating the charts, updating the chart books themselves, putting them into my trading journal here in Evernote. Those are going to actually be shared, as you can see, with you. So you'll be able to see the charts that I've done. If you're using the track and trade end of day software, I will share my uh, charting software with you, where I've calculated everything out in the charting software. I'll show you that. Just hold on. Here you can see that I've got everything listed. I'll share these files with you. Like here's the grains. I've got all the grains broken down, as you can see, with the charts updated, indicators and everything else in them. Here's corn as an example. I draw out all the charts. I do all the analysis on the charts. I'll share those with you. And when you see trade alerts, if you subscribe for the trade alerts, the watch list, you'll see all the charts and everything else that I've done in there. But as a subscriber, if you have the end of day software and have one of the bigger plans, I'll share my chart books with you, and you can open those chart books in your own software if you're using that. All right, hold on. I'm going to exit this, go back to the charts and or the calendars, and show you a few more things. Here's an example of the Swiss franc. And by the way, you'll see that there's little reminders that are set up here. All right. Here's reminders on bean oil, NASDAQ as an example. So on bean oil, I've set up different reminders that will go out. So as an example, if you subscribe to the reminders portion, you'll see that the reminders are set up to go out 1 day before, and reminder number 2 is 1 hour before. All right. So if a seasonal trade pops up on the 22nd, you'll be reminded on the 21st and again on the 22nd that there's a seasonal trade. Also, if I'm looking at that market and that market is supposed to be bullish, and I see that market turning bullish a few days or a week or something before then, I'll even send out a notice of that right then. I can, as an example, here's on one we were just looking at on bean oil on the 23rd. If I thought that market was turning bullish earlier, I can send out a notice to you instantly and tell you that that market looks like it's turning bullish a week early or bearish a week early, etc. All right. So that's the seasonals. I put a lot of time and effort into the seasonals. It's not something you want to just blindly trade. It's more of a tool to go in and if you're looking at trading coffee as an example, you might want to go in and look at the charts on coffee, see if that market is doing what it's supposed to be doing. Here's examples. Now this is actually my trading journal, as you can see in here. All right, comes out of Evernote. I share those with you on one of the subscription plans, and you can see that one. All right. Now, if you have any questions whatsoever about any of the calendars, how to use those calendars, I mean, anything that I'm doing, if you have a question, you can go to the website, commonsensecommodities.com. My phone number is there. My email address, david@davidduty.com, is there. I answer my own emails. I answer my own phone. If you call and you don't get an answer and goes to voicemail, it's probably because I'm on the phone doing a webinar or something, or out of the office. Leave me a message, your name, and I'll call you back. I do not return phone calls to people that don't have the courtesy of leaving a message saying who they are and what questions they have. So remember, leave a message if you call and it goes to voicemail. We'll give you a call back. All right. If you're watching this on um, YouTube, there's two buttons down the bottom, a thumbs up and a thumbs down. If this was helpful for you, please click the thumbs up button. We appreciate it. And you can subscribe to the channel. I've only got a few videos up there right now. We just started this channel, but by the end of the year, I'll have hundreds of different videos, not just on calendars that you're seeing here, but on different technical indicators, chart patterns, etc. I've been teaching people to trade for 20 years now, so uh, uh, these videos are going to be extremely helpful, uh, as you can tell. So again, appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. If you have any questions, please give me a call or drop me an email. Take care. Have a great day.